How to optimize the customer journey with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Marketing automation is a puzzling topic. Many myths are spreading around when it comes to dealing with marketing automation. For example, it will eliminate our jobs. This shows how twisted the opinion on automation technology can get. However, we know it only adds value by supporting our vision. Also, we need the support because the customers we serve today are empowered with the new technology, which means we need to be too. The crucial part of evolving our customer journey approach is marketing automation. However, it will not bring any value if we don't combine it with our human intelligence. That is the point. It's not a quick fix or a set and forget tool. It needs marketers to work. It feeds off our efforts and creativity. So, how do we become empowered marketers that build the future of consumer behavior? It's straightforward. All we need to do is embrace the advances in technology, learn about them, and eventually put them into practice. This is the core reason why we create the content we do to deliver you the tools you need for your future marketing endeavors. About Salesforce Marketing Cloud. In the enterprise marketing automation market, there are few significant contenders in the quality of offering of the marketing automation for the B2C sector. Salesforce Marketing Cloud was named a leader in the Forrester Wave Enterprise Marketing Software Suites Q2 2021 report. The Marketing Cloud Suite from Salesforce is built to provide the tools needed to optimize intelligent and personalized journeys at scale. Even though Salesforce provides Pardot marketing automation as well, the difference between the two is that Pardot focuses on the B2B market. Its primary purpose is building leads and pipelines for sales reps. On the other hand, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is an enterprise marketing suite, sort of a hub for all your marketing needs. Key features and benefits of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform contains automation built around email, SMS, push notifications, social, ads, and web technology. They are all tied together and easily connected with the rest of the Salesforce customer success platforms, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Communities. It has been very successful in serving the enterprise sector due to its variety of features, continuous platform updates, and the power of Einstein artificial intelligence. Some of the big players using it include Uber, Philips, Fitbit, and Amazon. The platform includes tools that optimize every step of the customer journey. Take a walk with us through the main functions and see how they can help you bring the customer to the center of your operations. Journey Builder. The Journey Builder application is a visual representation of your customer journey map that supports the journey orchestration. It's a drag and drop interface with a choice of activities to use when executing campaigns across email, advertising, website, and mobile. Journey Builder also brings measuring engagement into the mix, making it simple for the marketer to track and optimize the journeys in real time. If you want to learn about best practices when it comes to Journey Builder, Salesforce MC provides journey templates to add more guidance to the matter. Email Studio. Email Studio is an email marketing automation tool with drag and drop component to help you build emails using an intuitive interface. It also allows easy integrations with your other data sources and departments for a consistent customer journey. Furthermore, Email Studio makes content personalization effortless. With the helping hand of Einstein AI, it allows email marketers to predict consumer behavior and recommend the right product at the right time. Considering that email is the channel that goes through every stage of the customer journey, Salesforce made sure to provide leading email technology in its marketing suite. It will allow you to craft an omni-channel experience starting right from here. Salesforce Audience Studio. Formerly known as Salesforce Data Management Platform, now Audience Studio is a data unifying solution that can connect to your sales, service, and communities platforms, plus any other second-party data sources. It will give you access to rich data and make your advertising smarter. Salesforce Audience Studio is built to gather your data in one source and capitalize on it. With Einstein AI, you can use it to analyze attribute combinations, extend the reach of your campaigns with lookalike modeling, and uncover the patterns in your customer journeys across all channels. Salesforce Data Studio. Salesforce Data Studio is a data sharing platform that allows companies to purchase or share their data in a trusted environment. The Data Studio comes as part of the data management platform and gives you that extra advantage in your customer journey optimization. You can exploit this third-party data to refine your audience, build your perfect target profile, and reach more people, all with precision and clarity. Social Studio. Social Studio is a platform that covers publishing, listening, engaging, and analyzing content for social media. It's all about connecting to your customers in their territory while keeping an eye on the conversations that involve your brand. Powered with Einstein AI, Social Studio goes beyond just tracking the sentiment and brings you the insight that is hidden in the customer social media posts. As an example, Einstein can tell if a customer publishes an image of your product and that your brand is the topic of the conversation, even if they don't apply hashtags. Advertising Studio. Advertising Studio is an all-in-one platform that allows you to advertise directly on Google Search, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. It covers the customer acquisition and re-engagement stage of the journey. Once integrated with Salesforce Audience Studio, Advertising Studio allows you to reach your entire audience. More importantly, it helps you reach new prospects from the lookalikes of your best customers. Pair it with Journey Builder, and now you can coordinate your campaigns with other channels for the best ROI. Interaction Studio. Interaction Studio allows you to capture every interaction your customers have with your brand in real time across multiple channels. The significant shift that Interaction Studio brings to you is listening to your customers. You can use it to pick up on your customers' interactions with your brands and gain insight into their real needs. Additionally, it can link offline activities together with online behavior. This empowers you to build their entire engagement profile and provide experiences that matter the most to them at the same time they prefer it and in the channel of their choosing. Mobile Studio. Mobile Studio is a mobile messaging solution that allows you to send SMS, push notifications, or chat messages. It gives you a chance to level up your game with the help of geofencing and beacons to provide a better customer experience. The studio also offers pre-built templates that make it easy to optimize for the right message at the right time. This platform will fuel your customer engagement. Once you partner Mobile Studio with Journey Builder, you can manage and personalize each interaction across every available channel. As illustrated, Salesforce Marketing Cloud covers the key points that we, as marketers, require in our quest of pleasing today's customers. All the while, securing our dream goes on into the future as well. In 2018, Salesforce reported how 80% of customers care about the experience they have with the company as much as its product or service. Do you think this number will go up in the future? We certainly do. The ability for a company to engage with customers across touch points, Journey Builder, and Interaction Studio, fueled by rich data capabilities, Audience Studio and Data Studio, and combined with powerful advertising potential, Advertising Studio is of crucial importance for an enterprise. Not to mention how the Salesforce software offering is ever evolving. The 2020 additions to the Salesforce family include technologies such as Tableau, data visualization software, and Slack Technologies team communication tool. Prior to that, Salesforce Marketing Cloud was enriched with a marketing analytics platform called Datorama. Datorama is used by marketers to unify their data and optimize their marketing activity. Datorama is all about measuring your ROI and visualization of AI-powered insights. Their motto is click and no code, making it simple for marketers to gain insight into their campaign performance and, if necessary, adjust the direction in real time. Today, companies and brands around the world share their challenges, solutions, and success stories, and with them, pave the way to the future use of marketing technology. For example, take Ticketmaster. We have all heard of them. How Ticketmaster is using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Ticketmaster is one of the top 5 global e-commerce giants, selling over 500 million tickets around the world and attracting 1 billion visitors to its site every year. The company is a great example of personalization at scale using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. As they shared on Dreamforce 2018, speaking to a father that wants to take his daughter to a concert is very different than if you are talking to a young millennial. By leveraging the insights and partnering with leading technology providers like Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Ticketmaster has a chance to deliver that unforgettable journey for every fan that crosses their path. For them, the journey that takes place after the purchase of the ticket is as important as the journey before. For instance, if you were going to a concert in a town nearby, you would want to know if there is any parking available, or possibly if there are any places to eat nearby. Additionally, if you have arrived at the venue, you would like to know which gate to go to avoid waiting in line. Ticketmaster has thought of that. By sending email and push notifications, Ticketmaster updates you in real time on all the information you need to enjoy the event. While you are filled with excitement and eager to make that lasting memory, you can rest assured Ticketmaster has got your back. How Scotts is using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Scotts is a company that provides lawn care products in the US and Canada. Their target audience? Lawn owners. In the lawn care market, Scotts is dominating. The reason is customer journey empowered by Salesforce Marketing Cloud. In the awareness stage, Scotts uses email marketing automation to teach customers what products to use, when to use them, and how to use them. Firstly, they have created different journeys for different geographic regions, as your lawn would need different care depending on where you live. Secondly, they use their mobile app, which when downloaded, pops up a questionnaire to gather more information about the consumer. They use the insight to build a profile and predict future challenges you, as a consumer, might have with your lawn care depending on where you live. So finally, they tap into SMS messages. For the customers who are email subscribers, Scott sends an invite to opt in for localized text alerts. In these alerts, you get product recommendations for the best time to use the product to get the best results. For those of you who doubt the effectiveness of text messages, here's a reminder. SMS has a 97% open rate compared to email, which has 15%. By providing helpful guidance to their customers, Scotts is successfully achieving the customer experience we all crave. Being in the right place at the right time with the right message isn't easy. As marketers, we need all the help we can get, and Salesforce provides just that. Salesforce Marketing Cloud continues to evolve by gathering insights on how we use the platform. They stay on the leading edge, ready to implement new shortcuts into the mix. With the features that the platform provides for us today, the sky's the limit. The only thing that is holding us back is our imagination. So to utilize the platform, make sure you follow the latest developments, best practices, and case studies in your market and build on those. We cannot think of a better way than going right to the source, Salesforce. That's it for today. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this so that you can take your marketing automation to the next level. And remember to activate notifications to receive the latest videos. Thank you for watching.